Greetings! So for today's video, there's a few things I want to talk about. The first one is this new blog post on Jackson's website. When I first saw it, I got really excited because I was hoping that there would be more information about this whole Daniel Smith situation / kerfuffle. I read the article and I quickly realized that it was the same old stuff that we had heard before. So basically the same explanations and the same info they have given us before many times. When it came to addressing the light fastness questions, we got the answer with the usual ASTM / xenon fadometer machine info. And it doesn't really address the fact that if you put a color like anthraquinoid or anthraquinone red in direct sunlight, it will fade. Of course, no one in the right mindset would hang out art in direct sunlight, of course. It still means that the color is not light fast though, if it fades after being in direct sunlight. It's like a sped up process. It gets more light more quickly. So if a color is light fast, it shouldn't change. And if it changes, then it's not light fast. So them saying that such a color is light fast when we can see that it fades, there's something that doesn't quite work here. Then when it came to the question of what goes in the paints, and this is mostly about the Primatech range, we just got the same statement that they had given us a few months ago, like word for word, it's the same thing copy-pasted, so really nothing new here. All in all, in this blog post, there is absolutely nothing new to help the consumer make the best choice when it comes to purchasing paints. As a measure of comparison, I went to the Schmincke website where they have a page that's just about light fastness. The light fastness of their paints, of course, but they still do a great job of explaining how they go about it and what all the terminology means. Like they show what the blue wool test actually is. They also show what they do in terms of testing the colors. They have the xenon fadometer test as well, but also, and personally the thing that I prefer, is that they show that they do a test of putting the colors in direct sunlight on the roof of their factory for 2 years to 2.5 years depending on the weather. It's a more lengthy test, of course, but I feel like this at least is more relevant to what people want to know when it comes to light fastness. I could talk about this more, but that's not exactly the point of this video. Well, not the whole point. I have some fun stuff to share too. So first of the fun stuff is this new listing on Jackson's where they sell pre-cut sheets of Arches paper, meaning that instead of only being able to buy the huge imperial sheets, you can now buy half sheets or quarter sheets. Doesn't change a lot for people outside of the UK in the sense that to get those shipped to me overseas, it's still very expensive, but it's a really nice option for the people who are more local to Jackson's. So basically you can get, like I said, quarter sheets, half sheets, and they offer this with the hot pressed, cold press, and rough paper. Also, you can get bundles of 10 sheets, 20 sheets, or 40 sheets. They offer the paper in 3 weights. There is 300 GSM or 140 pound, 640 GSM or 300 pounds, or 850 GSM. I think that's got to be the thickest, like the heaviest paper I've ever heard about in terms of watercolor paper. Still on Jackson's, there is this new mystery listing for gouache from Shinhan. It hasn't been advertised yet, and as you can see, the paint is not available for purchase, but the listings exist, and they can show you a glimpse of what will be on offer when those paints arrive. Seems to be professional designer's gouache, so that's really well suited for illustration. It looks like it will be available either as open stock tubes or as sets. The awaiting stock date is August 12th, so more or less a month from now, but I will keep you guys in the know. Whenever I see these available, I will let you know. I also wanted to talk about new palettes from Nevskaya Palitra, the company that makes the White Nights paints. They have, all in all, 4 new palettes. 2 are in the Sonnet range, which is the student range of watercolor, and 2 are in the White Nights range, which is the professional range of watercolors. The idea of these new sets between the 2 ranges is quite similar. So for the Sonnet range, you get a Botanica and a plein air palette. Both have 12 full pans and they come in this cardboard box. The colors are chosen to fit the theme. For the White Knight ranges, you have a Botanica and an Urban Landscape set. They are also 12 full pans, but these come with the new model of the plastic box from White Knights. All 4 sets are really nice. They're really lovely. I'll put the links in the description if you want to go check the post on Instagram and check out the colors for yourself. I'm really excited to see these sets available in stores. For now, I haven't been able to spot them, but again, that's another thing that as soon as I can find them, I will let you guys know about it. And to finish, while looking at the Nevskaya Palitra Instagram page, I spotted a cat. It's from a really interesting and cute post about cats that work in a museum to help chase away pests, and in that way they help preserve the artworks that are in there. I'll put the link to that post in the description as well. I would encourage you to go check it out for a bit of fun. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely Monday. Take care. Bye bye.